If you don't own a car but are interested in driving for Uber, the Hertz Rideshare rental program might be something to consider. Let's discuss. So the Hertz Rideshare rental car program enables qualified individuals to rent a car for rideshare at a discounted rate. Hertz and Uber have partnered to provide a variety of rental options for Uber drivers. The program offers gas-powered and electric vehicles at discounted rates. The program includes damage protection and standard vehicle maintenance, but a deductible does apply to the damage protection. And the program is for drivers that might not have access to a vehicle or drivers that just don't want to put miles and wear and tear on their own vehicle. You must be an approved Uber driver to qualify for the program, and you can rent a Hertz vehicle from Uber's vehicle marketplace. Now, to qualify for the Hertz Rideshare rental car program, you must be at least 21 years old. But to qualify for Uber, you must have at least 3 years of driving experience. You also must have a valid driver's license and debit or credit card and be in good standing with Hertz. You must complete 30 trips weekly as a part of your rental agreement, and Hertz will charge the estimated rental charges for the proposed rental period to your debit or credit card when you sign up. Now, if you want to rent a Tesla, you must be at least 25 years old, have completed at least 50 trips with Uber, and maintained a 4.85 star rating. Or if you have completed at least 50 Uber Eats deliveries and have recently become eligible for Uber rides. Now, how do you book a Hertz rental? You just head to Uber's vehicle marketplace, select rentals, and then from there, you can select your preferred vehicle type with Hertz and the location you'll pick up your vehicle. Hertz requires a 7-day reservation, and you can extend the rental weekly for up to 180 days without needing to make a call or visit a location in person. Now, as far as electric vehicles, Hertz offers a variety of EV makes and models at various price points. And the benefits of renting an electric vehicle include eligibility with select vehicles for Uber Green, Uber Comfort, and Uber Comfort Electric. And with those options, you can earn slightly more than what you can earn with Uber X. In terms of support, Hertz offers several ways to contact customer service, including by phone, email, or by visiting a local branch where you picked up the vehicle, or any branch servicing drivers. Now, Hertz and Uber also have a limited time sweepstakes called the Drive Electric Sweepstakes. One winner will get a free EV rental for a year and $25,000 cash. 10 winners will get green EV driving accessories, and 3 winners will get $1,000 cash. The sweepstakes does end on December 31st, and we will leave a link to this sweepstakes form in the description. So overall, with this program, you have many vehicle options, you have unlimited miles while using those vehicles. Hertz has 200 locations nationwide, so there's many locations where you can get a vehicle. Again, if you don't have a vehicle or just don't want to put wear and tear on your own personal vehicle, this might be the program for you. You can rent these cars a week at a time, up to 180 days. For those of you that are interested, we will have our referral link in the description, and also make sure to sign up for that sweepstakes. It's worth a try. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.